Welcome to a culinary voyage that transcends time and tantalizes the senses. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating history of Indonesia's most popular dish, nasi goreng. In old Indonesian villages, communal cooking pots brought people together. Nasi goreng's heart, rice, became a symbol of unity and sustenance. As trade routes expanded, so did Indonesian cuisines. Spices such as ginger, turmeric, and shallots made their way into homes, transforming plain rice into a savory treat. Nasi goreng had a metamorphosis throughout the colonial era. The Dutch contributed new ingredients such as kecap manis, sweet soy sauce, while Chinese cooking skills gave a stir-fry flair. Nasi goreng suited to regional palates in the midst of Indonesian streets and lowly warungs. Every seller is a storyteller, each lending their own spin to this gastronomic tale. Nasi goreng has evolved into a canvas for culinary expression. Chefs play with new twists, embracing international inspirations while remaining authentic to Indonesian heritage. Nasi goreng is a cultural trip on a plate, not just a meal. It brings families together, encourages conversations, and reflects Indonesia's unique culinary traditions. So, whether you're eating it in a bustling street market or at a family dinner, nasi goreng tells stories about Indonesia's past and celebrates the flavors that bring us all together.